Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Sean from NOVATazz. I have some quick announcements before you get into today's video. Number one, this Saturday coming up on the 17th, I will be at Motorama in Harrisburg along with a bunch of my other buddies from the YouTube Pack. Check them out, youtubepack.com. Links to all of their channels are there, including my own. But second, the big update. I finally have merch. I will post pictures of the different shirts up here, but I have three different designs right now, coming up with two more. They come in shirts, hoodies, and women's shirts. If there's demand for something else, let me know and I will see if I can get them available. But for right now, just three different shirts three different designs in shirts, hoodies, and women's shirts. Go check them out. The link is down in the description below. Alright, let's get to today's video. And we're gonna go up and hopefully put this transmission back together. Hold on. Freaking all ice. Wonder why I don't get out to the truck much. It's because of weather like this. Anyway, hopefully I can get up the driveway to the garage. I will see you there. At the garage. You ever wonder why we don't do car things in the winter? This is why. Fucking snow and ice everywhere. Anyway, let's get back to the truck. Back inside the shop, not necessarily any warmer. I do have a little heater going on, but we're gonna start with finishing the assembly of this overdrive unit, and then we will go on to the main case back there. So sit down, hang on, enjoy the ride. Alright guys, there's step one. We do have the overdrive unit back together. We now need to mate the overdrive unit up with the other half of the case, and we will get to that in a minute. Didn't see because my camera decided to derp, was I installed the overdrive unit onto the main case. 7 bolts. You need to make sure that you put a little bit of silicone on these ones as they go directly into the case. And there you have it. Alright, so we will flip this case over, put it into this makeshift stand. Not as nice as the last one that I had, but do in a pinch. So let's get this case flipped over, get it in there, and then we'll start working on the rest of the transmission. She is in the case. Not the best thing, but it'll do for now. Alrighty, let's get the rest of this assembled. Next several pieces to be installed is this reverse drum. You have the band, the drum, and you have the spring cage. I'm going to install them for you real quick. Next, we're going to assemble the forward drive clutch packs. These are the ones that were completely wiped out. As you can see, they're supposed to be that color, and instead they are completely garbage. So I'm going to get to assembling this with the new clutch packs. I'll be back in a second. Alright, well, there she is. Everything is torqued down. I did reinstall the valve body, which is the only thing that you didn't see besides the kickdown band. But that's as simple as just putting up the specs and putting it in. I did show everything else on how to put this transmission back together loosely. Obviously, I didn't go over it step by step. I do have footage to do that. I have yet to put all of that together. But everything is torqued down. Cover needs to go on, new oil filter, and it can go back up in the truck. So, if you like this video, please hit that like button. This was a major pain in the butt, and we'd really like to see some likes. For those of you that stuck with it all of this way, like I said in the last video, hopefully there will be t-shirts up soon. As of the time of me filming this, I haven't done it, but by the time this goes up, it may be already up. If it is, the link will be down in the description below. If not, I will let you know after this segment. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. I love talking to you guys. I appreciate all the comments that I've been getting recently. And until next time, have a nice day.